let's see few JEE previous year questions. In that, the first question is, let S denote the set of all real values of lambda such that the system of equation is inconsistent. Then we need to find this value. And this came in the year 2023. Okay. First thing is, the hint we need to use is inconsistent. When the system of equations are said to be inconsistent, whenever the determinant is equal to 0, and inconsistent is nothing but no solution, right? So what is the condition for no solution? Delta should be equal to 0 and at least 1 from delta x, delta y or delta z should not be equal to 0. So it should satisfy two conditions. So first, let us use this. So delta is lambda 1, 1, 1 lambda 1, 1, 1 lambda. And this should be equated with 0. So it becomes lambda, lambda square minus 1, minus of lambda minus 1 plus 1 minus lambda equal to 0, which becomes lambda cube minus lambda plus 1, so lambda equal to 0. And it becomes lambda cube minus 3 lambda plus 2 equal to 0. And this can be written as lambda minus 1 lambda square plus lambda minus 2 equal to 0. And what are these factors? Lambda minus 1 and lambda plus 2 equal to 0. So basically, overall you have two factors, that is lambda can be equal to 1 or lambda can be equal to minus 2. So if you substitute the value of lambda equal to 1 in the equations, it becomes x plus y plus z equal to 1 from the first equation. These are the equation and you are keeping lambda value as 1. Next also x plus y plus z equal to 1. And next also x plus y plus z equal to 1. What is this? This gives the infinitely many solutions, right? Infinitely many solutions. Here, what is the condition for delta x, delta y, and delta z? Here, all the three are equal to 0. But for the inconsistent or for the no solution case, at least one should be not equal to 0. Therefore, lambda cannot be equal to 1. So basically, lambda is equal to minus 2, which is going to satisfy this equation. So let's substitute here because we need to find the value here. So summation of lambda square. Lambda is nothing but minus 2. Mod of minus 2 whole square plus mod of minus 2. So it becomes 2 square 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. Therefore, to this question, option D is the correct answer. The next question is, let the system of linear equations are given to you, these three, and it is told that these system of equation have a infinitely many solutions. Then there is another system of equation which consists of these two equations, and we need to see which option satisfies this statement. So first, it's given infinitely many solution. What is the condition for infinite solution? Delta should be equal to 0 and delta x, delta y, delta z is also equal to 0. So first thing, delta equal to 0. So let's use that 1, 1k. Two, 3 minus 1, 3, 4, 2. So this should be equate with 0. 1, it becomes 6 plus 4, 10. Minus 1 into 4 plus 3 plus k, 8 minus 9 equal to 0. So it becomes 10 minus 7 minus k equal to 0, so k gonna be 3. So just substitute this value in one more set of equations. So the system of equations will be 4x plus 5y equal to 7, and this equation will be 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7x plus 8y equal to 10. Now we need to get to know that these equations, if you calculate the determinant, that is 4, 5, 7, 8, which is nothing but 8 4s are 32 minus 7 5s are 35, which is minus 3, and this is not equal to 0. Therefore, it only can be a unique solution, right? So according to the options, if you see, both option A and C can't be the answers to this. So only there is a 50-50. Hello? Hello? Uh-huh. Okay. ఎటు సైడ్ ఉన్నాం? ఓకే. అదే ఓల్డ్ దగ్గర ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ కాదు. So you have both 50-50 chances for this option B and option D. So we need to use these equations in such a way that it satisfies either any one of these equations. So if you subtract this 1 and 2 equation, okay, if you subtract this equation, you will get 7 minus 4, 3x, 8 minus 5, 3y, 10 minus 7, 3. This is nothing but x plus y equal to 1. So, according to the option D is the correct answer to this question. In this question, it is given the system of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. Then we need to find the distance from this point to the plane. So basically, to find the distance, we need to know the value of lambda and u, and we can find this lambda and u using the hint which is given that this system of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. So what's the condition? Delta should be equal to 0 and all the three should be also equal to 0. So let's use this. So first delta equal to 0, it becomes 8, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1, and lambda minus 3, 0. So from here you can find lambda, like it becomes 8, 3 minus 1 into 0 minus lambda plus 4 minus 3 minus lambda equal to 0. It becomes 24 plus lambda minus 12 minus 4 lambda equal to 0. So 3 lambda is nothing but 12, and you'll get lambda value as 4. Next, let's use delta x is equal to 0. So instead of x coefficients, substitute the constants. So it becomes minus 2, 0, mu, and remaining two columns will remain as it is. So just find the determinant and equate it with 0. You will get minus 1 minus mu plus 4 minus mu equal to 0. So it becomes minus 6 plus mu minus 4 mu equal to 0 and 3 mu equal to minus 6, and mu is equal to minus 2. So we got the values of lambda and mu. So just substitute in the point. So assume point P, and it's given as lambda mu minus half. So it becomes P equal to P 4 minus 2 and minus half. What's the plane equation? 8x plus y plus 4z plus 2 equal to 0. So this concept you'll learn in the chapter planes, but here we'll have a direct formula, that is, if point is x1, y1 and z1, and plane equation is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, Then the distance formula is, distance is represented by small d. It is, just substitute the points, that is ax1 plus by1 plus zz1 plus t. And we need to take the mod value upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. So now just use this formula and calculate the d. It becomes 8x1 is 4, b is nothing but 1, y1 is minus 2 plus 4, z1 is half plus 2, and take the mod value. Under root a square is 8 square, b is nothing but 1 over here, c is 4 square. So you will get it as, this minus 2 and plus 2 gets cancelled, it becomes 2 times 8 4 the 32 minus 2, 30 upon 64 plus 16 plus 1. So it becomes 81. So it becomes 30 by 9, which is nothing but 10 upon 3. So according to the option D is the correct answer to this question.